Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to turn off likes and comments on Facebook profile picture. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Facebook and tap on this three line to the upper right hand corner and tap on your profile. And once you on your profile, tap on your profile picture and tap on upload photo. And I'll select a photo to upload for your Facebook profile and tap on update. So here you can see the profile photo has been uploaded, and now scroll down and here you'll find your profile photo. So tap on this three dot as soon as possible, then tap on change audience and tap on see more, and here select only me. And after that, anyone will be able to see your updated profile photo, so they won't be able to like and comment on your profile photo. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.